I got these for myself because my father-in-law came over and looked at our outlet underneath our sink after installing a reverse osmosis system and realized that it was wired wrong. And then the rest of the time he complained about how messy my under the sink was. So I decided I was going to order these when the electrician came over to fix the wiring. I did not end up using the adhesive. I did put it on and the suction cups, but we have a waterproof liner underneath our sink, and I didn't want to stick anything to that just in case we had any plumbing failure or anything like that. I wanted to be able to remove it, but the amount of weight that I have in it, it does not need the adhesive at all. I ended up using one in my kitchen underneath my sink, and I used one in my downstairs bathroom underneath my sink because it has all of my daughter's hair care products, and it was very messy underneath there. So I didn't record any of me removing stuff from underneath the sink, but just know both sinks were a disaster. And then at the end of this video, I'll show you what it looks like after putting it on. I definitely could have used the other one underneath the sink in the kitchen as well, but there's just so much stuff under there already that I felt like it would almost make it more cluttered to have two under there, considering I needed the box with my garbage bags and my dishwasher pods and all that stuff that wouldn't have fit in these. But it works great. I really do like how you can choose which way it goes. So you can have them like in an L opposite of each other if you put them under one sink, but I did like that I could make them both the exact same way to put under two different sinks. It did really, really work out, and it saves so much space. Again, at the end of the video, you'll see the awesome transformation of how less cluttered my sink looks. But this video was originally about 13 minutes long, me building both of them, and that was with a 4-year-old distracting me. So in all, it did not take that much time at all. So yeah, if you are looking for an under the sink organizer, just make sure these fit and that you can still open the cabinet door and pull them out if you would like. That is one thing I made sure to measure before I ordered them. They are amazing and they worked so well for our kitchen. I would definitely recommend getting them.